Do you want to view more columns in a Kurve report? Is your data being cut off? Let's use table resizing and word wrapping to solve these problems. Start by creating a new report or open an existing one. Navigate to the Settings tab on the right-hand side of your table. To adjust the table size, click Small, Medium, or Large. Default settings display the table size as large. Changing the size of the table will automatically adjust the font size and line height so you can fit more or less data on a page. Another setting we can use to adjust the look of the report is word wrapping. You can enable word wrap per column to break up the text into multiple lines. Find the column you want to enable word wrapping. Click the hamburger menu of that column. Click the Enable Word Wrap setting. Now adjust your column to its desired size. Continue to word wrap other columns to customize the look and feel of your report. And there you have it. Using table resizing and word wrapping can help you improve readability, fit more columns in a report, and view all of your important data.